Dive into the fascinating world of our feline friends. Ever wonder just how spry your lounging house cat truly is? Well, hold on to your hats because domestic cats can reach staggering speeds of up to 30 miles per hour in short bursts. That's right, 30 miles per hour. Imagine your couch potato cat is actually a compact speedster, holding its own against the likes of a racehorse, which averages at the same speed. How's that for a quick cat fact? So next time you see Whiskers lazily stretching on your carpet, remember there's a supercharged sprinter underneath that fluffy exterior. Join us next time to uncover more hidden gems in the world of our everyday companions. Until then, keep exploring and stay curious.